Welcome back, guys, to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a $1,000 PC build guide. This is all in United States money, and yeah. Alright, starting off with the CPU, the processor is a AMD Ryzen 5 3600. It is clocked at 3.6 gigahertz and can boost clock all the way to 4.2 gigahertz. The 6-core processor, 12 threads, so it's better at multitasking than, I would say, Intel i5 processor, because it does have 6 cores, but it only has 6 threads compared to 6 cores and 12 threads that the Ryzen 5 processors have. And next, we have our motherboard, which is a Gigabyte B450 motherboard. I picked this motherboard because of the price that it's at, and because it's rear I/O. That's what you call it, right? I forgot. You have 6 audio jacks. You have your 4 USB 2.0, your DVI, your HDMI, your mouse and keyboard slot, and 4 USB 3.0s, plus an Ethernet port for only, how much is it? $110. Compared to other ones, I found one for $120, and they don't have the these two USBs right here, and it doesn't have DVI. I don't think they even have an Ethernet port either. So yeah, that's why I picked this motherboard. Plus, it has 4 to 6 SATA connections, so you could have up to 6 hard drives or SSDs attached to it at one time. It has an M.2 slot and 4 slots for RAM, so you could have up to 4 RAM, not 4 RAM, up to like 128 gigabytes or 256 gigabytes of RAM, which is crazy. Next, we have Crucial 16 gigabyte dual channel memory of DDR4 3600 speed. It pairs well with Ryzen 5 processors, or any Ryzen processor at all, because they love their high speed RAM. And it's kind of funny how it's 3600 speed and the CPU is has the name of 3600 in it. It's better to go dual channel because it'll give you a lot better performance compared to if you just go single channel mode. It might be a little bit less expensive, but it's a lot better to go with dual channel. Next, for our memory, we have a Western Digital Green 1 terabyte 2.5 solid state drive. It's a lot better than it's a lot faster than a traditional hard drive, and it's only 1 to 2 seconds slower to boot up a game rather than an M.2, and it's a little bit more or less in price. For only 85 bucks, you could store all your games, some pictures and videos. You could you could store everything on it. But if you need more storage, you can also get a traditional hard drive, but that will increase the budget by like $55. With $55, you can get a 2 terabyte drive, so you'll have 3 terabytes of space for $1,060. Next, we have a Asus GeForce GTX 16 Super 6 gigabyte card. The reason I picked this card is because the 580s are around the same price or even higher than the 1660 Supers. And you get more performance going with a 1660 Super than a 580. you get like 20 frames per second more on the 1660 than on the 580. So it just makes sense to go with the 1660 Super. Next we have our case, which is a Deepcool. Wait, let's not move on to our case, but first our video card / graphics card can run about any game possible. Probably not in 4K, but it could definitely run on 1440p or 1080p, and it will just demolish 720p. Alright, finally moving on to our case, we have a Deepcooled ATX mid-tower case for only $55, or not $55, $45. It comes with one fan, which I did fix with this kit of 5. So yeah, it just looks really nice, and the other cases in this price range are not fully tempered glass, or they just really look ugly with the RGB that they put. With our fans, which we'll move down here, is I picked a 5-pack. And it's $30. It's 120 millimeter 5-pack fans. The reason I picked this was because all the other fans that were $30 only came with one fan. So you're getting a better value by going with 5 fans instead of 1. You're getting 4 more. And it's not like the speed is 1800 speed, and the other ones are like up to 2400, but you really don't want it that loud that you could hear your fans from across the house. Like next we have our power supply, which is a Cooler Master Gold certified, so it's even better than 80 plus bronze or 80 plus. It's a 550 watt, which if you upgrade this down the line, you could upgrade it, because this only takes 309 watts. And this is fully modular, so you could take out every single cord that attaches to it. So in case you have a lot of cords that you don't need to set up, you could just easily take them apart, take it and put it in the back of your closet for 20 years until you need it. But by then, you probably need a new PC. For only $67.34. The other power supplies were like $65, but they weren't gold certified, they were bronze, and they weren't fully modular. They were only semi. And this doesn't include any monitor, keyboard, nothing. So this is my $1,000 build guide. It comes up to $1,002.19, which it is over budget by $2.19. But you could probably find some deals on these. Like right here, there was a $5 promo code, which I didn't use because I wanted to do the full price. So I would be under budget if I didn't take away that promo code. But you could probably find better deals with this. You might find a AMD Ryzen 5 paired with this motherboard or a different motherboard for a lot better price. Maybe you'll get it for $200 and you get a free motherboard. And there's always used, which if you're going used, everything is fine that you could use except for your power supply. I do not recommend going used with a power supply. It's a really bad idea. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more PC build guides, and make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below if this helped you or not, and see you guys next time. Goodbye.